Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing Doors with my friend, and so yeah, we're gonna try and beat it. Aiden, say hi.
Hello.
If you're wondering how you can hear him, if you want to do that with your friends, it's on Discord. So you coming? I'm over.
I thought I was waiting on you. He might have to make a part two. I probably won't.
Yeah, well, I got the keys.
I haven't played this game in a while, so I have like no clue what to do. I'm just gonna.
I haven't played this game in like a year.
Me neither. Actually, I don't think I've touched it in the past like 2 years or something.
I don't even know. That might be an exaggeration. I don't even know if it's been out a year.
I don't know. It,
Okay, wait.
probably
When you open the doors, leave them open so we know that we've already searched them.
found a candle. Don't know what that's supposed to do.
Oh, you got the key? Okay.
No, I have a candle.
Oh, you have a
Well,
candle?
yeah.
Oh, bro, you got a candle?
Somehow I got a candle. I could use it for later. Maybe.
What the frick?
In case like the lights go out sometime.
Yeah. Yeah. No.
Oh, there's a drawer here.
Did you find it?
Nope.
It's not in
Slime.
there?
No.
Bro, are we done?
Okay. We probably are.
I
Yep, we
think we
are.
are.
We're definitely dumb.
What?
There was a blue glowing light.
It
There was a
was a glowing thing?
yeah.
I didn't even realize there was a glowing thing. I didn't even know you could open that. Where'd you go?
I'm behind you.
Oh. Bro, you literally look like a black figure. That was not cool.
10. What do we do here? What? Oh, I can go in here. Ooh, coins. Give me all the coins.
You ain't even recording a video.
Is there any more coins in here?
No, I don't think there is.
No, there isn't. Okay, I'm gonna go. I don't like long hallways. I think there's just gonna be like this giant monster that just jumps out at you and grabs you and rips your throat. What's in here? Nothing. Where'd you go?
I'm over here. I don't even know what we're looking for.
Well, I'm leaving you behind.
Oh, wait, we're going this way.
I don't like that.
You don't like what? Where are
There,
you?
there's a dark room. I don't know where I'm going right now.
Aiden, I thought you had a candle.
I do have a candle.
How
I
did you?
don't I don't like dark rooms. Oh,
I'm gonna follow you because you have candle.
you scare me. There's a vent. I'm robbing you. Give me all your vents. My candle's running out. We need to hurry and find this thing. Where is it? Is it? Where is it? My candle's seriously about to run out. What do we do? What do we do?
Where
No,
did you go?
my candle ran out. What? There's a blue glowing
So where?
light.
It's over here, bro. Are you done? I got it.
Oh, yeah, I'm blind. Okay, let's go. What?
Was that the lights? I couldn't even tell.
Yeah, the lights literally just flickered. What is that? I'm hiding.
What?
Get in a closet. I'm hiding.
Okay, that was Rush.
That was who? Oh,
Rush.
wait.
Why are you acting like you never played this before?
I haven't played this at least in a while.
Yeah, but you know who Rush is.
Rush.
Why
Rush.
is that already open?
I don't know. 18. Door 18. Here we go, 18.
Okay.
Oh, that scared the blah 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 blah.
What? I don't know. Oh, wait, was that
It's
Screech?
what's here?
I don't even
Oh,
remember the names of the characters.
that's a lighter. That's sick. Go in here and rob this person.
To be Rob.
I'm robbing you. Okay. What do we do
Wait up.
now? Oh, my bad. Okay, I guess we just gotta look in the drawers.
Yeah, that's pretty easy.
Ooh, chest room. There's gotta be a chest in here.
Nothing.
Yay!
Nothing.
Frick! Requires a pick lock or whatever it's called. A key. We need a key for that chest. I think we need
Okay.
to find a key. Oh wait, there's a. We need two keys actually.
I found a lighter. I'm not gonna use it.
Oh, you found a lighter? Maybe it's in the next room because we've already looked in here.
What in
What
the?
the?
Why is there a chest?
There's two. I just found
What
them.
does the chest do?
I think it's a. I think it gives you like treasure. That's why I tried to get in it.
Oh,
Well, let's go to 22. Door 22. I did never even realized the paintings.
I
Oh,
don't
you
think
can.
there is a key. We just gotta keep going. Rush, rush.
Oh,
Get
nope,
in the
nope, nope.
closet.
I'm getting in. I hear it. I'm getting in. Let's go. I'm in.
Okay, I gotta get off.
It's dark.
Okay, I think we all know what this is.
What?
It's the chase, right? Where is
Some
it?
kind of chase. I
No,
remember.
it's not. Okay, it's not the chase. I hate the chase.
Wait, why am I running? Oh, wait. 25? Yeah, we're on door 25. Okay. Here's
Don't hate on me in the comments. I haven't played this
26.
forever.
26.
Okay,
Wait,
I'm definitely gonna have to make a part two. This
25?
video's getting way too long.
Am I tripping? Am I tripping?
Unless I die.
What the heck? What happened?
What do you mean what happened?
Guys, what happened? Like the door number, it went crazy. I guess we go on to 26.
Why is it blue?
I don't know.
We're supposed to go this way?
What was that?
It's
The light,
blue. The door's
the
shut.
the light, the light flickered. I don't like that.
And where'd you go?
I'm in the next door. No. Woo! Wait, why am I under the bed? Let me out.
Oh my god! I'm dead. No, I'm not. I almost died.
What's this? Apartment. I'm hiding.
Where are you?
Is anything coming?
Wait, was that a fake door? Is that why it attacked me? I need meds.
Why is there an eye?
That's one of the entities that can hurt you, so be careful.
What it? There's like eyes flashing all around me. I
I
don't like
know.
that.
That's right. Where are you?
I'm right. I'm inside of you.
Okay,
No more
this is the chase, and I'm at 2 HP.
No more eyes. No more eyes. That's good. There's no more eyes.
Oh no, this is the chase. There's even more eyes. Run. He said, "Who stole my sandwich?"
Ouch. Ouch. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Crouch. Okay.
No, this music is insane. Where do we go? Where do I go?
I don't know.
Oh,
Oh, it's at the very back. It doesn't matter.
there's a door. Where do I go? Oh,
It's on this. Go to the other side. I did not mean to do
run.
that. Don't hit the flames or the hands. You hit the
No,
flames or the hands, you're dead.
I beat it. I beat it.
Let's go. Get
Oh,
slammed. Stupid.
get slammed, dog. You suck. Now let's get out of here.
I'm almost dead, by the way.
Oh,
I
okay,
got
good.
attacked when you left. I went through a fake
Oh,
door. I don't like this.
I'm using my lighter. Oh,
Same.
you're using yours.
Okay, I know how to do this.
Paintings? Oh, wait, I grabbed one.
I'm
Wait.
dead.
Oh, well, how
I
did you
died to
die?
Screech.
Dang. So, okay, that matches. That
Well,
matches. Well, let me get the painting. Where is it? What the? What?
however,
Okay.
usually suspect that is around. Look for it and tear it down. Okay, well, I died. So, see you guys next time. If you want to see him play, um, the rest of it, go to his channel and watch it.